Mr. Baisa.
Yes.
Hello, Mr. Baisa here. Welcome to another episode of Testing Out Food in Morocco. We're going to be testing out different types of food in multiple places. After we checked into the hotel, we decided to go for a walk. And it was lunchtime, and since it was our first day, we didn't want to eat anything unfamiliar, so we went to McDonald's.
It's the Maccadees. What do you want? That was nice. The big buffalo looks nice.
Big buffalo.
The same price as UK.
The food was okay, but not great. And the price is the same as here in the UK, so unless you're a big McDonald's fan, it's not really worth buying it.
Get something to eat.
Okay, in the evening we're looking around in the market square in Marrakesh, and we're simply looking for a place to eat. We're a bit indecisive on what to eat at first, but eventually we decided to buy some Tangier.
I'm not gonna eat pizza.
The famous Tangier.
Tangier. Good?
Slightly sour.
Yeah?
Really nice. Juicy. Lemony.
Yeah, really nice. Right, this is the Tangier. Looks very fatty, but oh, nice. Quite salty. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see. Let's see. What is that?
We also wanted to order something we're familiar with, so we ordered some chicken and chips and beans.
Oh, this is like making beans.
Then we finished off with some Moroccan tea. Apart from the tagine, it was all basic food. We didn't want to order anything unfamiliar as it was our first day, and we didn't want to get upset stomach or anything.
What's in there? Another soup type. So that's a basic breakfast pretty much, isn't it? A lot of bread. Croissant. Butter, jam.
Okay, the morning next day we had our first breakfast in the hotel before heading off to our day trip around Morocco. During our day trip we had lunch in a beautiful place surrounded by mountains and waterfalls. You can see the full video on part 1 of this series.
Nick, yes.
Bon partager. Jamala. Bon appétit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Food here, food here.
Okay, in the evening we went to a local restaurant just walking distance from our hotel. The restaurant is called Snack Ism. It's a local restaurant for all the local people, and it's in a place called Glesh, Glesh in Marrakesh, and the prices are really cheap compared to all the other places we've been, and the food tastes alright. It tastes really good actually.
Well, this is nice though, the starter, whatever it is they gave for free. It's lentils.
Is it free though? Is it free?
Yeah, that is a question. I doubt. And it tastes nice.
Alright, so I got some bread. I got these lentils. Just gonna dip it in here and let's see what it tastes like. Excuse the camera angle and my head.
What's this place called anyway?
Quite nice. Snack is
Area.
Goulet.
Gulash?
Or Goulet. Basically like 5 minutes from our hotel, this place. Very good. Very good.
Here we are. Cheap food. And the area is called Goulash. Goulash. So this is the area where you find cheap food. We're just waiting for the main course. So here's the main course. Steak, chips, and rice. They got the mixed
You got it mustard.
What is this, mixed?
Yeah, just got
Maybe chips and rice.
Oh, I got some.
Pretty much they got the same.
This is chop, but this is chop.
7-up. Cost
Triple lemon.
10 dirham.
I want to try
Even though
it.
it says 6, it's 10.
It's so good.
Very nice. Good. Good, my friend.
Nice. Tell me the name of the restaurant.
Yes.
What's it called? Address. Give me address. I put on YouTube. I think he understands. Very good service. Thank you.
Alright, so half finished. The rice was cold, so we asked for a hot one and they gave it, which was nice. What do you guys think?
Yeah, apart from the cold rice, the hot rice was nice, and the meat was awesome. Likewise.
Yeah, you're good.
Cool.
Yeah, I've got nothing to complain about. I've got the rice to complain about, but everybody else already done it, so that's it. It's fine. Well, you know what I didn't like about the rice? It's cold. That's not how rice should be. Some people probably like it cold, but I'm sure most people don't. Yeah. It's supposed to be hot. It's rice. How can you have cold rice?
Alright, cool.
Might as well cook it.
But this is how it is, I think. Yeah. Here's the receipt.
Alla mi presa 55, okay?
165.
Come on, alla mi presa 55.
Giving them some tips. That's it.
More videos coming soon. Like my heat kit, please subscribe and share.